Good day, Doctor. Our group will present about the marketing plan of AFFIN Bank Group. So our group member will be Li Jianwei 279106, Pong Jia 285035, Hao Kisi 285146, Chia Kai 285235, Teo Singing 285960, Lin Po Zin 286688, Chen Zibing 286700, Angelina Chen Wanqin 287175, Chong Kylie 287191, and Ng Kylie 287265.
Good morning, Doctor. I'm Angelina. My metric code is 287175. Now, I will start my presentation from AFFIN Bank background. AFFIN Bank Group was one of the top group of companies in Malaysia. AFFIN Bank Berhad is the parent company for AFFIN Islamic Bank Berhad, AFFIN Huang Investment Bank Berhad, AFFIN Money Broker Sendirian Berhad, and ASA AFFIN Life Insurance Berhad. AFFIN Bank Berhad associate company is ASA AFFIN General Insurance Berhad. AFFIN Holding Berhad (AHB) was founded in Malaysia on May 31, 1975 as IMA Sendirian Berhad, a private limited company. It began as a credit company offering car hire purchase financing. Its name was changed to AFFIN Motor and Credit Finance Malaysia Sendirian Berhad on September 15, 1978. It was renamed AFFIN Credit Malaysia Sendirian Berhad on January 16, 1979, and AFFIN Holding Sendirian Berhad on March 2, 1991. On May 6, 1991, it was converted into public company and given its current name. AFFIN Bank offers a variety of financial products and service to both retail and corporate customers. Key business units such as community banking, enterprise banking, corporate banking, and treasury are used to categorize the target business segments. AFFIN Bank has 110 branches in Malaysia as of 31 December 2020. AFFIN Islamic Berhad, AFFIN Islamic, a wholly owned subsidiary of AFFIN Bank, began operation on 1 April 2006 as a full-fledged Islamic bank offering a full range of Sharia-compliant Islamic banking products and services to individuals and corporations. Now, I'll continue our presentation to AFFIN Bank Group Mission and Vision. Vision was a proclamation stating the future and what an organization wants to finally become. AFFIN Bank strives to always connect and engage with their customers in order to better understand their changing needs to aspiration. It represents their passion and commitment to the community in which they operate, allowing them to respond quickly to change and provide a personalized experience. And for the mission, a mission states what an organization does to achieve focus today. AFFIN Bank prioritizes understanding and prioritizing their stakeholders, which include their customers, employees, and shareholders. They are aware of their ever-changing needs as they travel through this metamorphosis journey, and they embracing the new ways of this digital dimension.
I'm Pong Jia. Now I want to present about the pastel analysis. Pastel analysis is a method for assessing how sensitively a company is to its external environment. Pastel analysis has 6 main components. The first component is political. Domestic and global challenges are both political forces. Political stability can have an impact on a country's banking, finance, and investment sector with regard to interest rate, investment, and loan repayment. A corporation may be impacted by the framework, law, and political stance of the governments. In 2022, Malaysia tax regulation will accelerate added 2% in taxes to all payments made by businesses to authorized agents. This put people under strain, especially agents who have to pay greater taxes. Or to put it another way, AFFIN Group need to deal with the issue of agents who dodge taxes. Or to put it another way, AFFIN Group need to deal with the issue of agents who avoid taxes. If the agent did not comply, AFFIN Bank would be held accountable. Next component is economy. Economy has an impact on the corporation crime in terms of inflation and currency. Price for purchasing a good or service will rise when inflation takes place. AFFIN Bank moderation in economic growth and have the rate of inflation, the COVID-19 pandemic has a significant negative impact on Malaysia's economy. In Malaysia, the majority of industries see a step downturn. Berita Harian report that there was a dip in the finance sector in Malaysia in 2020 compared to 2019. This decline was more than 20%. Suddenly, the AFFIN group encountered the same issue during the COVID-19 pandemic. The third component is social. Social aspects take into account demographic, behavior, and attitude. The ability of a corporation to adapt to the time will be shown in this component. Demand for quick banking and financial service has increased. Younger generation has a demand for banking and financial service that fits their lifestyle, such regard and freebies the rise in young couple, which drive up demand for loan, particularly for houses and car. People looking for a lucrative investment package such as a gold investment. Technology is a factor that increases knowledge and the use of technique, procedure, and method. A company should keep their technology up to date in order to stay on trend and assist society. By pushing online banking, AFFIN Group have brought their technology up to current. Online banking is a tool that promote consumer to conduct transactions online, meaning they are not need to visit a bank. In addition, technology moves consumer to alter their payment habit. Cash have been the primary method of payment for the previous 10 years. People have started making payment online and through e-wallet today. The next component is legal. The law that will affect business are expanded by the legal aspect. In addition, law have an impact on a business daily operation. A company should always operate legally. All Malaysian banks are required to adhere to the country law to the letter. All Malaysian banks are required to adhere strictly to certain bank regulations. For instance, the Right to Privacy Act is a law that might regulate how banks utilize the data on their client. Customers must be made aware of bank privacy practices. The last component is environmental. The Asian Economic Community has made significant progress toward promoting economic integration thanks to the Asian Central Bank, a high-level framework to advance economic and finance integration has the support of the central bank. The investment banking industry is predicted to continue grow strongly at the rate of 50% annually from 2010 to 2050, then slowly to 10% from 2016 to 2020. Over the next year, it is expected that the commercial banking sector will continue to develop at a 7% annual rate. The asset and wealth management sector, however, are anticipated to rise by an average of 8% from 2010 to 2020.
Good day to everyone, my name is Lim Po Jin and my metric number is 2x6688. Now I will present the part of the AFFIN Bank Group SWOTs. First and foremost, the strength that the AFFIN Bank has is it offers a variety of goods and service to a range of clients. It has also aided the organization in diversifying its sources of income. Second, AFFIN Bank was founded with the customer's needs for flexibility, quickness, and protection in mind. For example, the A1 add-in furthermore enables clients to open an account online for only 10 minutes by utilizing eKYC technology. Then the AFFIN developed and installed cloud-based customer relationship management. It requires less long-term investment in digital infrastructure and easier development in addition to quicker installation. Meanwhile, AFFIN Bank also received a number of honors throughout the entire year. This not just to serve as evidence of our tireless efforts to improve AFFIN Bank's online visibility, but also as a word of confidence from our clients. Next, come to the weaknesses. In comparison to similar products or service offered by other financial institutions, AFFIN Bank's offerings are lacking. This is because typically they will choose one with a famous and powerful branch image. Moreover, in the field of promotion and marketing strategy, the advertisement not really receive widespread communication because it only concentrates solely on banner placement at AFFIN Bank's many branch and online advertising. On top of that, AFFIN Bank has less resources to set up branch and put ATM in useful place.
Hi everyone, my name is Chen Zipian, metric number 286700. I want to present about opportunity and trends of AFFIN Bank. Opportunity. The AFFIN Bank website is getting bigger. The increasing consumer use of internet service will make it possible for AFFIN Bank to provide new product to customers. Customers of AFFIN Bank have rapidly changing tastes. Customers always want to test out new items on the market, so AFFIN Bank need to keep a close eye on both trends in the local banking industry to gain knowledge, adopt technology product faster to attract more customers. Besides that, customers of AFFIN Bank are increasingly switching to higher quality goods. The company enjoys high brand awareness in the premium market. It could benefit the business and offer a chance to boost profitability. The banking experience and client environment will be reimagined by AFFIN Bank, which will also launch a smarter, more user-friendly lead management system (LMS). Trust. The main risk associated with starting an AFFIN Bank is a lack of skilled personnel. Next, new product launches in the banking sector are happening more quickly. The skill of AFFIN Bank clientele prevent it from instantly meeting the need of the specific market that disruptors are focusing on. Furthermore, it faces several rivalry for both domestic and international opponents. In addition, the AFFIN Bank is growing risky as a result of changing demography.
Hi, I'm Kelly. Now I will explain marketing objective. It's defined as attainable goals created to not only offer general guidance but also drive action. In comparison to other financial institutions, AFFIN Bank's marketing or promotion approach can be viewed as being inadequate. The problem with promotional effort is that they solely concentrate on employing banners at the numerous AFFIN Bank branch and promoting on their official bank. After switch from its traditional platform to the Jian solution, their productivity and the sales grow up. And for the marketing strategy, by segmenting market to better satisfy their individual demands, AFFIN Bank can offer customer buy insurance just a click. It refers to a sales channel which same with internet insurance. So the benefit of the banker assurance is low cost, high security, and convenient to purchase.
The marketing mix includes 4P. The first one is product strategy. The service offered by AFFIN Bank range from compulsory to optional. AFFIN Bank can provide a wide range of additional services, including helpful customer service, electronic banking, through account summaries, and suggestions for alternatives. As a result, AFFIN Bank must develop a product strategy to satisfy client demands, and AFFIN Bank new product strategy will demonstrate how well it adjusts to environment changes. Secondly, is the pricing strategy. Pricing is the financial service industry goes under different names such as interest, rate, fees, and commission. For instance, for AFFIN Bank, it is set for a customer that will have with a minimum retail spend of 3,000 in latest credit card, I-statement, or 100k retail spend in the calendar year can access Plaza Premium Launch worldwide in the airport and enjoy the benefits and services provided by presenting this card. Hence, this is one of the pricing strategies of AFFIN Bank to set a minimum range to attract customers to apply to their card. Other than that is the distribution strategies. Financial services are distributed using a distribution strategies that involve the development of full-service bank branches like AFFIN Bank. AFFIN Bank ATMs are now located at many locations. Factors including client preference, change in technology, and customer purchasing patterns might affect distribute strategy. As a result, AFFIN Bank must offer services that is more transparent and offer services based on customer behavior in order to satisfy customer. The last one is promotion strategies. An organization promotion strategies entails efforts to interact with its client in order to strengthen its image and reputation, set itself apart from rivals, draw in customer and inform them about its service offerings. There are many promotion strategies. For example, AFFIN Bank will have some rebates such as collaboration with Lazada that is RM15 off every Thursday when purchasing items in Lazada using AFFIN cards. Other than that, recently AFFIN Bank held a contest that is apply AFFIN Bank card to stand a chance to win RM888 cashback. Thus, AFFIN Bank have plenty of promotion strategies.
I am CHIA. My metric number is 285235. So I will talk about the 3.1 digital marketing. Insurance digital marketing of AFFIN Bank is referred to an online marketing activities that take advantage of digital platform in order to contact existing client and attract new one. One of the benefit is cost efficiency. It is often less expensive than traditional advertising method to promote the insurance plan, for example, print advertisement or TV commercial. It also helps to streamline the marketing effort, allowing company to focus on more important tasks like selling insurance. Secondly, it is also more flexible. It is able to adapt to new trends and market changes without a significant overhaul. Lastly, it also has higher conversion. It often targets a narrower customer base by using pinpoint targeting to drive traffic toward your site by reaching the right audience.
3.2 4 Ps to 4 Cs. Marketers must create a marketing mix consisting of elements the business can control to affect demand, such as product, pricing, place and promotion, following effective market study, planning and strategy, the 4 Ps. First of all is consumer wants and needs, product. Instead of focusing on a product, a business must understand the needs and objectives of the customer and create plans to satisfy them. AFFIN Bank has launched 1A ADIN, an entirely digital banking offering with the goal of giving consumers the convenience of a fully digital banking experience. Second is cost to satisfy, price. Cost is essentially a small portion of the overall cost associated with buying anything from a customer. AFFIN Bank has launched AFFIN Duo and AFFIN Duo Plus. AFFIN Duo perfectly matches the way that millennials are changing their lifestyle, while AFFIN Duo Plus has been developed as a more advantageous win-win scenario for a large, wealthy consumer base.
My name is Still Singing and my metric number is 285960. Next is convenience to buy, place. The third C goal is to make purchasing products or services easily and conveniently for the customers. The growth of online marketplaces, cell phones, catalogs, and credit cards has turned the delivery of products to customers into a whole new frontier. As an example, AFFIN Bank has collaborated with Merchant Trade Asia Sendirian Berhad to launch the AFFIN Merchant Trade Visa Prepaid Card, which offers speed, convenience, security, and control, giving Malaysians a competitive edge in the ever-changing business world. Lastly is communication, promotion. Product promotions are used to influence buyers in order to convince them to purchase the products. Nevertheless, communication is a customer-centric way to the selling products task. Buyer-seller connection is necessary for effective communication. Through the usage of social media, this marketing strategy can be implemented. For example, AFFIN Bank has established its application and is actively placing advertising materials on social networking websites to attract customers.
My name is Jian with metrics number 279106. Now, my part is going to present about the content market and evaluation. Content marketing is a kind of marketing that involves the production and distribution of relevant articles, podcasts, videos, and other types of media in order to engage, attract, and keep an audience. There are key metrics of content market evaluation to evaluate the content market, which is visibility, relatability, searchable, actionable, and shareable. First is the visibility. Visibility metrics are about measuring reach and awareness such as impressions, unique viewers, and brand recall. One of the great impressions of AFFIN Bank is the SME colony mobile apps. AFFIN Bank became the first Malaysian bank to be recognized for the development of these mobile apps at the Global SME Finance Award 2021. Second is relatability. Relatability measures how well the content attracts interest by page per visit, bounce rate, and duration of visit. The table shows the data of the engagement overview of website for AFFIN Bank and mBank. With proving the relatability, we will be going to compare the engagement overview of AFFIN Bank and mBank. Based on the table, we can see that AFFIN Bank have the lower monthly total visitors compared with mBank, but AFFIN Bank can make more attract compared with mBank, which is the duration of visit, page per visit, and bounce rate of AFFIN Bank have a good performance compared with mBank. Third is searchable. Searchable metrics measure how discoverable content is by using search engines. The table shows the percentage of searching overview on the different search engines. Based on the table, we can see that Google Chrome have the highest percentage of searching AFFIN always. The percentage reached up to 97.54%, meaning that almost people using Google Chrome to search the AFFIN always. So AFFIN Bank can more focus on posting the information link in Google Chrome. Last is actionable and shareable. Actionable metrics measure whether content successfully drives customers to act by the like of the post. Shareable metrics to track how well their content is being shared in the social media. The table shows the number of the followers on the different social media platforms. Based on the table, we can see that AFFIN Bank followers can be found throughout the different social media platforms. And also, the video that provided by AFFIN Bank had a million of views. So in conclusion, the content marketing strategy that using by AFFIN Bank have a good evaluation result. That's all for our group presentation. Thank you.